The concepts covered are points, line segment and line intersecting lines and parallel lines, ray curves, polygons, angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, circles. Basic geometrical ideas. The term geometry is derived from the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. Points. It is a position or location on a plane surface, which are denoted by a single capital letter. Line segment. It is a part of a line with a finite length and two endpoints. The points A and B are called the endpoints of the segment. It is named as line. It is made up of infinitely many points with infinite length and no endpoint. It extends indefinitely in both directions. Intersecting lines. If two distinct lines meet or cross at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Here, line L and M are intersecting at points. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines which are always the same distance apart and never intersect anywhere in a plane. Perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular when they intersect at 90 degrees. Ray. A ray is a line which starts from a particular point and goes infinitely towards a particular direction. Real-life examples of the ray are curves. Anything which is not straight is called a curve. It is a drawing which is done without lifting the pencil. 1. Simple curve, a curve that does not cross itself. 2. Open curve, curve in which its endpoints do not meet. 3. Closed curve, curves whose endpoints join to enclose an area are called closed curves. A closed curve has three parts. Example, circle as shown below. 1. Interior of the curve, it refers to the inner area of the curve. The cherry-colored area is the interior of the circle. 2. The exterior of the curve, it refers to the outside area of the curve. The point marked A depicts the exterior of the curve. 3. The boundary of the curve, it refers to the dividing line, thus it divides the interior and exterior of the curve. The black line which is dividing the interior and exterior of the curve is the boundary. Polygons. It is a 2D closed shape made of line segments. Polygons can be of numerous types like triangles, 3-line segments, quadrilaterals, 4-line segments, pentagon. Sides of a polygon, it refers to the line segments which form the polygon, as in the above figure AB, BC, CD, DA are its sides. Vertex of a polygon, point where two line segments meet, as in the above figure A, B, C and D are its vertices. Adjacent sides of a polygon, if any two sides share a common endpoint they are said to be adjacent to each other, thus called adjacent sides, as in the above figure AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB are adjacent sides. Adjacent vertices of a polygon, it refers to the endpoints of the same side of the polygon. As in the above figure A and B, B and C, C and D, D and A are adjacent vertices. Diagonals of a polygon, it refers to the joints of the vertices which are not adjacent to each other. As in the above figure, AC and BD are diagonals of the polygon. Angles. It is made up of two rays which are starting from a common point. The rays forming the angle are known as its arms or sides. The common endpoint is known as its vertex. An angle is also associated with three parts as follows. Interior, it refers to the inner area. The blue-colored area is the interior of the angle. Angle or boundary, it refers to the arms of the angle. Exterior, it refers to the outside, outer area. Naming an angle. While naming an angle, the letter depicting the vertex appears in the middle. Example, the below angle is named as angle ABC. An angle can also be named just by its vertex. The above angle can also be named as angle CBA. An angle can also be named just by its vertex. The below shown angle can also be named as angle D. Types of polygons. Triangle, it is a three-sided polygon. It is also the polygon with the least number of the sides. Vertices, A, B and C. Sides, AB, BC and CA. Angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Here, the light blue colored area is the interior of the angle. The black line is the boundary. The dark blue area is the exterior of the angle. Quadrilaterals, it is a four-sided polygon. Vertices, A, B, C, D. Sides, AB, BC, CD, DA. Angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Opposite sides, AB and DC, BC and AD. Opposite angles, angle B and angle D, angle A and angle C. Adjacent angles, angle A and angle B and angle C and angle D and angle A. Circle. Circle is a closed figure formed by a set of points in a plane which are located at the same distance from a fixed point which is the center. Circle is not a polygon. Parts of circles. Radius, it is a straight line connecting the center of the circle to the boundary of the same. Radii is the plural of radius. Diameter, T is a straight line from one side of the circle to the other side passing through the center. Circumference, the distance around the circle is known as its circumference or perimeter. Chord, a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is a chord. Arc, it is the portion of the boundary of the circle. Interior of the circle, area inside the boundary of the circle is called the interior of the circle. The exterior of the circle, area outside the boundary of the circle is called the exterior of the circle. Sector, it is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides. Segment, it is the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Semicircle. A semicircle is a half circle, formed by cutting a whole circle along a diameter line, as shown below.